Hi everybody, Andrea here again. I'm back. I will be showing you guys how to make an amazing, easy Caesar salad. I don't know anybody who doesn't like a Caesar salad, and I will always buy one when I'm eating out. You know, I will always start with a good Caesar salad because I just love it. But unfortunately, a lot of the dressings aren't very healthy, okay? So I used to use this one. You know, you would think it'd be the healthier option, because it says it's natural, it's organic, but look at the sodium. It has 0% sugar, but the sodium is 85 milligrams. And the less sodium you have, trust me, the better. Yet with this one, with Epicure's, of course, right, the Epicure Caesar mix, the sodium is 0. 0, you guys. In this one, I forgot what I said already. The sodium is, what did I say, you guys? 85 milligrams. 85 milligrams, 0. So if you're watching your sodium, you want the one with 0 sodium, right? So what I like to do is I like to look at the recipes in this amazing book. So if you don't have this yet, this is amazing because you will see tons of them in there. Healthy, low sodium, low sugar, or no sodium at all. So it's perfect. But for this Caesar salad mix, I went online at Epicure. They have an amazing Caesar salad recipe on here, and that's what I will be making for you guys today. So all it calls for, listen up, 2 tablespoons of the Caesar mix, 2 tablespoons of the Caesar mix, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. I like to use this one because it includes olive oil. A lot of the mayonnaise out there includes other oils that aren't healthy for you. Olive oil is perfect and a lot healthier than some of the other ones out there. The other healthy oils, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil are the best ones. If you're cooking with them on the stove, then avocado oil is the best because olive oil and grapeseed oil shouldn't be heated because then you lose a lot of the nutrients and you don't want that. So anyway, you guys, so I said 2 tablespoons of the mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and I wanted to show you guys this handy dandy thing that I got, of course, from Epicure. So easy to use, and the seeds are in there. So I'll show you what I like to do is I actually cut up my lemons a little bit smaller so it's less messy. And all I do, if I can open this for you guys, I put it in here, see that? And then I squeeze. Less messy, it doesn't spray everywhere, whereas if you were using half a lemon or something, it would spray everywhere. And the seeds stay in this handy dandy thing. So if you don't have this yet, honestly, you guys, it's the most amazing thing. And if you're watching this, let me know if you want this, and I will give you 10% off of it because that's how much I love it. Okay. So you want 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You want a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You want a 1/4 cup of milk, and trust me, the milk makes it. You need the milk in there. I mean, you don't need the milk in there, but it just tastes so much better. You want the milk in there. And it says 2 crushed garlic cloves are optional. So I like to add them. Why not, right? And then you mix, mix, mix with a whisk, and that's it. If you wanted to, you could put it in, where did I put my handy dandy Caesar salad container? Oh, it's right in front of my face. I love these, you guys. You can put it in with a funnel. I do have an Epicure one, but I lost it actually. So I just use this one for now. Just put it all in, and then you can shake it up like that. So these are amazing, but I just thought that I would follow the recipe exactly, and it says to whisk it. So I actually have everything in here now. I don't want to spill it. So, and then whisk, whisk, and whisk. So this does take a little bit of time, and I'm messy, so I tend to spill things. So let me just whisk that up for you guys. And you have your healthy, no sodium Caesar salad option here. So how nice is that? And I see that the sun is starting to come out, thank goodness, eh? I tried to hook up the webcam somewhere where you guys would be able to see me. My kitchen is laid out a little bit differently, so it's really hard for me to put the webcam so that you can see me and my area here, so I apologize. I hope it's okay. In my last kitchen, we had an island in the middle. It was so much easier to do my cooking shows. Okay, so spend some time whisking this because I'm noticing even as I'm mixing it, it looks better like every sort of whisk, okay? So take some time doing it. But I mean, look how yummy. Let's not spill it now. Look how yummy that looks, you guys. And it's so much healthier than this healthier option. This at the store, I believe, is $7.99. I'm sorry, I can't remember. But look at this container. You don't need another container in your fridge. I know I don't. So if I have this, this will probably last me about a week, you know. Keep it in the fridge for a week, no more, just because of the oil, you know, the mayonnaise. But this will last you a week. It is as fresh as possible, healthy as possible, and that's it, right? So my salad dressing is good to go. What I love, I don't know if you guys have one of these or not, a salad spinner. You put your lettuce, your, you know, iceberg, spinach, whatever, totally up to you. Put it in here, put it in your salad spinner, wash it with a lot of water. You put the lid on and then you spin it. Do that a couple times and it helps to keep the lettuce dry. I didn't know these things existed. These are the most amazing things ever. I don't know what I ever did without a salad spinner. So you need one of these. So I did take the time to wash a bunch of iceberg lettuce. Now for my Caesar salad, I prefer iceberg. So everybody's different. Romaine lettuce there's more nutrition to it. So if you like the romaine, spinach, kale, they actually have more nutrition to them. But I just like the crunch of an iceberg lettuce, so that's why I use it with my Caesar salads. Totally up to you, but that's just something that I like to use. So I will do that. And please don't laugh at me. What I like to put on my Caesar salads is bacon, but I forgot to buy it at the store, so I don't have any with me today. I apologize. As soon as I was prepping for this cooking class, I was like, I don't have the bacon. So I don't have the bacon, but it's a good idea that if you do eat bacon, to add that to your Caesar salad because it just gives it that extra kick that you probably want. And it just seems to go well with our Caesar dressing that we have. So let me just kind of prepare my bowl here. So I wanted to show you guys how to cook some bacon in our amazing steamer. So if you guys were smart enough, or if you have some at home, all you do, so this is our multi-purpose steamer. It's our largest one. This one includes a tray with it, and that's what you need to cook the bacon. So all you do is place strips on your tray, put it in here, so then after it's cooked, the oil is on the bottom and not on your bacon. It's the most amazing thing. Honestly, it's the most amazing thing. So you put the bacon on here, obviously close the lid, put it in the microwave. Now I have a newer one, so it takes my bacon about 4 to 5 minutes to cook all the way through. I like the bacon a little bit crispy though, not too crispy, but just a little bit. So I don't like soft bacon. Some of you out there, you could be thinking, well, I like soft bacon. Then I would put it in there for 2 minutes at a time and then keep on checking it. For crispy bacon, it's about 5 to 6 minutes, but again, it depends on the microwave. So you do that, you take it out. It's amazing, you guys. It's cooked. Again, I don't have any in here because I forgot it at the store, but it's cooked. And then what I like to do is I actually take scissors, so I will hold the bacon because it's hot, right? I will hold the bacon. Where are my tongs? Let me get my tongs for you guys. Do I have any in here? We just loaded up the dishwasher, so they're probably all in the dishwasher. So I do have my larger ones from Epicure here. So what I do is I will pick up 2 slices of bacon or you know, however many, pick them up, and then I will cut them with scissors to then sprinkle on my Caesar salad. So it tastes so good. But sadly, I don't have any bacon with me today. But anyways, so you put the lettuce in a bowl, or if you are prepping it, our salad shaker, this thing is amazing. All you have to do is you would put the lettuce, obviously, in here, add your bacon if you have it, and I also add some Parmesan cheese. Put anything in there that you want, you know, just put it in there. Close it up and you're good to go. And your dressing, hello, can fit in here. How cute is that? And it sticks right on here. I love our salad shaker. You could even use this, you guys, for protein shakes and put your like actual protein in here and then put it in and then mix it up when you're ready for it, for smoothies, anything. I love it. So that's all what you guys have to do. So you have your lettuce, you have your dressing, just put it over there. Your, you know, Parmesan cheese, I like to add, you can add any cheese you want. And another thing I love is the bacon and roasted tomato. Put it on there. As you can tell, I love bacon, so this one's perfect for me. But look at all of this added stuff that it has in there. So this is actually healthy for you to add to your salads, and it adds more flavor, so you will love it. So I'm actually prepping for the meal class tonight. I'm pretty much all set to go, you guys. So how nice is that? Easy peasy. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And again, I found the recipe at the Epicure's website here. I will post the link for you guys on the bottom of the video. And for those of you who are attending the cooking class tonight, I will see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.